Hello everyone, welcome back to Diamond Autos. Today on the channel, we are bringing you a complete and detailed review of the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep. If you are looking for a compact, powerful, and fuel-efficient mini utility vehicle for business or personal use, then this video is going to be extremely helpful for you. So make sure you watch till the end, because on Diamond Autos, we always give you honest and practical vehicle reviews. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is designed especially for small business owners, delivery services, rural transport, and light commercial needs. Mahindra has focused on durability, low running cost, and reliability in this vehicle. In 2025, the Jeeto comes with improved engine performance, better cabin comfort, and stronger build quality, making it one of the most trusted mini pickup-style vehicles in its segment. At Diamond Autos, we believe this vehicle is ideal for those who want maximum profit with minimum investment. Talking about the exterior, the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep keeps a simple yet strong design. The front looks bold with a compact grille, strong headlights, and a tough bumper that gives it a proper utility vehicle appearance. The body panels feel solid, and the overall build quality is made to handle rough roads and heavy daily use. The ground clearance is good enough for village roads, construction sites, and uneven city streets. From a durability point of view, Diamond Autos feels Mahindra has built this vehicle to last long with minimum maintenance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is powered by a reliable diesel engine that focuses more on torque and fuel efficiency rather than high speed. This engine delivers smooth power for carrying loads and performing daily commercial tasks without stress. Whether you are driving in city traffic or on rural roads, the engine feels stable and consistent. Gear shifting is smooth, and the vehicle performs well even with load. According to Diamond Autos, this engine is perfect for people who want a dependable work vehicle rather than a flashy one. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is its excellent mileage. Mahindra has always been known for fuel-efficient diesel engines, and the Jeeto continues that tradition. In normal driving conditions, this vehicle delivers impressive fuel economy, which helps reduce daily operational costs. For business owners, this is a huge advantage. Diamond Autos strongly recommends the Jeeto for those who want maximum savings on fuel without compromising performance. The load carrying capacity of the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep makes it ideal for transporting goods like vegetables, groceries, construction material, and delivery parcels. The rear cargo area is spacious and well designed for easy loading and unloading. This vehicle is commonly used by shop owners, farmers, and small transport businesses. At Diamond Autos, we see the Jeeto as a true money-making vehicle that supports your business growth. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep offers a simple and functional interior. The dashboard layout is basic but practical, with easy-to-reach controls. The seating position is comfortable for daily driving, and visibility from the driver's seat is quite good. While this is not a luxury vehicle, Mahindra has added enough comfort to make long working hours manageable. Diamond Autos appreciates the focus on comfort without increasing the vehicle's cost. Safety in the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is designed according to its commercial purpose. Basic safety features like strong brakes, stable handling, and solid chassis construction are included. The vehicle remains balanced even while carrying load, which adds confidence while driving. From Diamond Autos' perspective, the Jeeto offers dependable safety for daily work use. The suspension setup of the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is tuned for load carrying. Even on rough roads, the vehicle feels stable and controlled. With load, the ride quality improves further, making it comfortable for business operations. This is one area where Diamond Autos feels Mahindra has done an excellent job, especially considering the vehicle's price segment. Mahindra vehicles are known for low maintenance and easy availability of spare parts. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep continues this legacy. Service centers are widely available, and maintenance costs are affordable. For long-term use, this vehicle proves to be reliable and economical. Diamond Autos always recommends vehicles that offer peace of mind, and the Jeeto definitely fits into that category. The pricing of the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is very competitive. It is positioned perfectly for small business owners who want a powerful and fuel-efficient vehicle at an affordable price. Considering its mileage, load capacity, and reliability, Diamond Autos believes the Jeeto offers excellent value for money in the mini commercial vehicle segment. If you are a shop owner, delivery driver, farmer, or small business entrepreneur, the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is made for you. It is ideal for daily work, low running costs, and long-term reliability. At Diamond Autos, we highly recommend this vehicle to anyone looking for a trusted work partner on wheels. To conclude, the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is a strong, fuel-efficient, and reliable commercial vehicle that focuses on performance and practicality. It may not offer luxury features, but it delivers exactly what business users need. This vehicle truly represents value, durability, and efficiency. That's our honest review from Diamond Autos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Diamond Autos for more honest car and commercial vehicle reviews. Comment below and tell us what you think about the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep. Thanks for watching Diamond Autos, and we'll see you in the next video.